Guys, welcome back. In our previous video, I've shown you how to do the dynamic 2FA authentication, connecting into your database and creating a new record in database. Each time a user registers in your application, you create a new record in your database, then insert the 2FA code in the user table row. So in this page, you'll be able to compare what the user is entering to what the system has in a database. So what we are going to do now is to now dynamically check the 2FA authentication with what is inserted in the database. If there's a match, that means it is correct. They cannot redirect user to the next page that you want to redirect user to. Okay, so that we are going to do now, how to dynamically validate user 2FA authentication code. The code that user enter, you check it in the one in your database if there's a match. So that we are going to do right now. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So right here, these are previous code that we did when we did it in a static way. We hard code it, but this time around we're not going to hard code it. So we are going to just compare directly from the database. So that make it dynamic. Okay, that will be dynamics. So that we are going to be doing now. All right, let's get to it. Now this is the button the user is going to click. Let me show you this button right here. So this is the code user is going to enter. So this is the code user receive when we are doing the comparison through hard coding. But this time around, we are going to remove this. We don't need this. First and foremost, let's check our input field to know what the name of our input field is. Right. Yeah, the name of the input field is 2FA code. That is this input field right here. That is the name we give to the 2FA code, which is this. Okay. We're going to check if the user didn't enter anything before you click on the button. You're going to show error that please enter code sent to your email address. That's right. So after that, we are going to check here. Just to make the video short, I don't want to be too long. So just scrap it, put it there. So what we're going to do now is we are selecting everything for user table. Let's go and check our table to know what is there. We're going to say where this OTP code, you can see it. Equal to what the user have entered. We do it this way, we'll have a match. We're going to say yes, we got a match. Okay, so let me just show you an example and say I look like. Let me grab this to display a message so you understand what I want to show you now. Yes. Just can't be lazy developer anyway. Sorry about that. Else, if it's less than 1, which is 0, I'm going to say so this one will say account authenticated successfully if it's greater than 1, if there's a match. But there's no match, I'm going to show let me show warning. Invalid code. Okay, so let's save it and let's give it a try, see what happens. So I'm going to refresh. Let me give it a random number, see what will happen. Okay, let's connect our database connection. We are not done that. So I save it. So let's go and try it one more time. You can see invalid code entered. Then we need to correct this on line 45 because we are not using that script that code anymore. Line 45 right here. So we need to remove this. I just comment it at first. We'll come back to it. Since we're not using it for now, save it. Yeah. So you see invalid code enter, try again later. Alright. So now then we enter a wrong code. Then if we enter the right one, what's the right one? Let's check it. This is the right code that was sent to us. So let's put it and see what happened, what we'll see. So next I'm going to do is to click on verify. You can see account authenticated successfully. You see it's working 100%. It's checking the database direct to know if the code exists or not. All right. So one more thing I want to show you here is this. If we do it this way, is okay, but we're going to see have some limitation. Any user can enter any code, and if the code exists, it will automatically authenticate the user. But what happens if that code does not belong to that particular user, but the code belongs to someone else? So we are going to add one more condition to our code to make it more secure. Let's do that. Let me show you. What we are going to do here, so our more condition here will say, and the email address, and this email is equal to the user email. Remember, we have the user email in our session. Let's check it out. Yeah, we have the user email in our session. This is it. So I'm going to come here. So this way, the condition is more tight and secure. So user cannot, a random user cannot enter any random code and it will not work. So it must belong to a particular user that already signed up, because you need to sign up first before you redirect to that page. So once you enter the code, you go to check that code against your email ID that used to sign up. If there's a match, they do not say there's a match, there's no match, to throw an error. So that we are what we are doing right here. Okay, so next you're going to do now, if there's a match, it should direct user to the home page or to any page you want to direct user to. So just come here, get our redirection header. Just close this or remove it and put this right here. So if there's no match, to show error here. Yeah. So we'll just remove this. Don't need this anymore. So you can take a look at it. I will do it, and I'm going to save. So I'm going to refresh the application, try one more time. Okay, let's enter the code again. I think this is our code that we see. I'm going to click on verify. Voila, straight up, we're now at the home page. Account authenticated. They will not display my details. So guys, that is it. If you have seen it, I'll show you how to dynamically compare the user OTP code with the database, and if there's a match, it will direct the user to the next page or simply display message to the user. But if there's no match, it's going to show error to the user that you entered wrong OTP code. Okay, just the same way as Google, Facebook, Instagram, any other professional app you see out there, the same way they do it, is how it be done. All right, guys, thank you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to dynamically send OTP to the user email. For example, when user sign up, the user did not receive OTP code, the user have option to click on resend OTP code. So in that video, I'm going to show you how to dynamically send a new OTP code to user email. We're doing a dynamic way. Okay, so see you in the next video. Please, if today is your first time, please can you subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell right there so that you don't miss any of our video. If you are watching on Facebook, please can you follow our page, share the video for other people to see it and follow. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.